Okay, ListOneNJ is here today, the Shamsudin Agency, beautiful Parsippany, New Jersey, with Saeed. And one of the questions we are often getting from maybe first-time home buyers is, am I going to have a problem with this maybe potentially aging roof when it comes to homeowners insurance? Am I not going to get a policy? What's going to happen?
This is actually a great question. And insurance carriers right now, the most strict part or item of a homeowner's policy they're going to look at is the condition of the roof. This is a new phenomenon. Pre-COVID, this was not an issue. And insurance carriers now have imaging of almost every roof in the country. So this can affect eligibility.
An inspector on behalf of the insurance company may come out after closing?
Yes, a lot of times carrier, and even more so now, they're sending out third-party inspectors to check out the roof to see the condition of the home and the roof especially.
Okay, and if the verdict comes back, this roof is not acceptable for insurance purposes, what happens next?
Okay, so after closing, the inspector will come out about a few weeks after closing. Then if there was an issue with the roof, they'll send a letter to the agent as well as to the buyer. You'll have typically about 30, 60 days, depending on the carrier, to fix either. You have three options: either fix the roof, maybe find a new insurance carrier, which you're going to be in the same situation, or third, you're going to get forced place insurance, which will be 3 times more than what you're currently paying in insurance right
Our goal in even creating this video is we want to avoid surprises for the homeowners and home buyers primarily, right, Said?
now. Absolutely. So there's a few things you could do. One, have a good realtor that understands this part of the roof issue. Also, having a good agent informing you, hey, you might have an inspection coming up. Make sure your roof is in good condition. But always, when you're looking for that dream home, look at the age of the roof. Look if it was deteriorating. Look at the coloration of the roof and other signs that show maybe that roof might have an issue after you close.
All right, if you have additional questions, we're always available for you here at ListOneNJ and also our partner services, the Shamsudin Agency.
Call us anytime. Thanks.
Thank you.